If ChatGPT is taking forever to respond, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix ChatGPT's slow responses fast and keep your workflow moving. This is a super common issue, and most of the time it's caused by a slow internet connection, a browser hiccup, or temporary server load. The good news is that you can usually solve it in just a few minutes without any advanced troubleshooting. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump into the first fix. Step 1 is to check your internet speed. A slow connection can make ChatGPT feel laggy, delayed, or even stuck while it's generating text. Start by testing your internet speed on your device and see if the connection is unstable or weak. If you're on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router, switching to a faster network, or using mobile data if that gives you a better connection. Even a small improvement in speed can make a big difference in response time, especially when you're sending longer prompts or using ChatGPT during busy hours. Step 2 is to refresh or restart. Sometimes the issue isn't ChatGPT itself, but the browser session or device you're using. Start by refreshing the page and see if the responses speed up. If that doesn't help, close the browser completely and reopen it. You can also restart your phone, tablet, or computer if the slowdown continues. Then open ChatGPT again and test it with a simple message. This clears out temporary glitches and often fixes slow loading or delayed replies right away. Step 3 is to use short and clear prompts. The more complex your prompt is, the more time ChatGPT may need to process it. Long instructions, huge paragraphs, and multi-part requests can slow down the response, especially if the system is already busy. Instead of asking one giant question, break it into smaller, simpler questions. For example, instead of saying, "Explain everything about marketing in detail," try, "Explain digital marketing in 5 simple points." Shorter prompts are easier to process, easier to answer, and usually lead to faster results. This is one of the easiest ways to improve the speed of your ChatGPT experience instantly. Step 4 is to check server load. Sometimes the problem has nothing to do with your internet or device at all. Open your browser and go to status.openai.com. This page shows whether ChatGPT or other OpenAI services are experiencing issues, outages, or heavy load. If the servers are busy, responses may be slower than usual for everyone. In that case, the best solution is simply to wait a few minutes and try again later. Server-related slowdowns are usually temporary, and once the traffic drops, ChatGPT should respond more normally. So, to quickly recap, if ChatGPT is slow, first check your internet speed, then refresh or restart your browser or device. Keep your prompts short and clear, and finally, check the OpenAI status page to see if there's a server issue. In most cases, one of these 4 steps will solve the problem and get ChatGPT responding much faster. If this video helped you fix ChatGPT's slow responses, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.